In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can manage and change the theme of your account. That includes all of the colors of, say, the navigation bar and all of the stat circles and even little elements like these right here. So you can change the colors and fonts. So we're going to click on the name and then click on under account. We're going to click on theme. And the first thing you can do is change the font style for the titles that appear right at the top there. And these settings are available to the account owner and also to super admins on the account. So I'm going to stick with that font theme. You can also choose the font style for the content of your account. I'm going to leave that on sans serif. Here's where you can choose the theme color. This could be, say, the main color of your organization or business. Well, I'm going to just select that nice green right there, but you can pick pretty much any color you wish. And that color is going to be also reflected in the titles. You can also change the font for the navigation color, navigation font there. I'm going to leave that on white. You can even change the color of the Planning Pod logo if you want. So that's how you can change the font and color settings for the theme of your account. And that'll be reflected throughout the account. It'll also be reflected in the PDFs in your account. So I'm going to download a PDF from the proposals area just to show you how the font and color theme will reflect through the PDFs. So you can see here is the title font as well as the color theme that is carried throughout all of the downloadable PDFs in your account. That's how you can manage the theme of your account, but please let us know if you have any questions.